Hello, welcome to the Element 61 Dynamics 365 Business Central and Navision Power BI out-of-the-box financial showcase. The solution I am presenting here is created on top of a predefined out-of-the-box data warehouse holding all data from Business Central and all previous versions of Navision. This solution is easy to use and highly customizable to match your organizational needs, with the possibility to add other data sources if required. In this demo, we will focus on analytics exploration through Power BI, but the same dataset is also available for Microsoft Excel. With the finance module of our solution, organizations quickly gain insights into the key financial performance metrics, allowing for the monitoring and evaluation of your company's financial health and performance in a set of interactive dashboard visualizations. This report is presented from an executive perspective, focusing on the key areas that impact overall decision-making and organizational health indicators. The Profit and Loss dashboard gives an overview of the income statement with the possibility to drill down right to the detailed level, focusing on the income and expenses and thus profitability of your company's operations. You can easily filter your data based on the slicers on top of the report, allowing for detailed insights to specific financial performance based on your selection. The balance sheet report presents the key financial metrics of your balance sheet across time. This dashboard presents an effective means of monitoring your assets and liabilities over time, thus providing a means to evaluate the capital structure of your company. Our cash flow dashboard communicates your company's liquidity and cash flow across time. It allows to see the amount of money coming in and going out, and it gives you a good overview on how much cash you have on bank. Based on the numbers on the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, key liquidity and solvency ratios have been created that allow you to spot trends that may be developing in your company. Also available are your accounts receivable and accounts payable figures in order to evaluate your accounts handling processes. The interactivity of Power BI allows you to easily filter your data based on the visuals to quickly gain insights based on your specific needs. Finally, the working capital dashboard shows your company's liquidity, operational efficiency, and short-term financial health. The Element 61 team will help you visualize and share your data. We work to simplify the approach to understanding and gaining insights, allowing for informed decision-making to boost your financial health and meet your financial objectives. In this demo, we focused on the business intelligence out-of-the-box for finance module, but the same Power BI and data warehouse solution is available for all other Business Central modules, including customer relationship management, inventory, jobs, production, purchase, timesheets, sales, and service. Thank you for watching the Element 61 Dynamics 365 Business Central and Navision BI out-of-the-box financial showcase.